My name is Victor Malombe and I represent We Learn for Life Kenya. So We Learn for Life is a charitable organization based in Switzerland, and we are supporting the Wajir Smart Learning. So I'm happy to be here in Wajir to conduct a workshop in the new gadgets that we've brought. And in just 2 minutes, I want to introduce the new equipment that I've brought with me. And the first thing you can see, we have this is the normal case that we've been having prior, but we have new gadgets inside. So the first gadget that is new, it's the server. So we have a new server that we call SC1, and this server is slightly different from the Rachel server in that it does not have an inbuilt battery, but it is more powerful, and it also runs in a different platform. So in the last couple of days, we went through the server and checked how it works and how to interact with it, upload content and manage the modules. So I look forward to better usage of the system, and things to do with students accessing the module in a more effective way. So I hope you will like it. So this server, also we have another gadget here, which it's a Wi-Fi extender that is used to boost signals for the server. So this extender, the main purpose is to ensure that you can get connection from any class in the school compound. So once you configure the router, so let me call it the Wi-Fi extender, it takes the Wi-Fi for this server and boosts it, so it repeats the signals in a big environment. So we hope that once you just connect the server and the router, the whole school can be covered, and you're able to use the server, the tablets, the projectors, all at the same time in different classes. So yeah, so that's good. So the rest of the things are the normal things, the tablet and the projector. So on this side, we have another equipment, which is a smart screen. So this is not just a normal TV screen. From here, you can even notice that the background is Windows based, but also it has an Android part. So it's kind of a hybrid system with Windows and Android. So the Windows part is generally used for content creation. That is our main goal, to ensure that teachers can make their own content, their own modules, and upload them to the server for students to use. So we believe that teachers are content creators, and this will give them the platform to make that content. So we have specialized tools to make content, and the main tool that is being used by teachers is OBS Studio. So this is a streaming and recording software that will capture audio from the microphone. It can capture video from a webcam, and we like to use simple applications which anyone can use. So in this case, you don't need to invest in a very expensive camera in order to record your own lecture. You can even use your own smartphone. Like myself, I can use my smartphone here as a webcam. So if you check here, there's a software here that I'm using to integrate video. It's called Irium Webcam, and the advantage is that you can make use of your good camera in your phone or a tablet to capture you as a lecture teaching, and this video will be recorded by this OBS Studio, and you can publish that lecture. So the connection between this and the smart board is we are using the Wi-Fi from the server. So I've connected my phone to the server, and this screen also is also connected to the server, and they can communicate and share information. So this is part of what we've been learning, and I hope that you'll make use of it to make your own lectures. So in a nutshell, what else you can capture is the display capture when you are teaching. So what does this mean? Sometimes maybe you may want to use to make a lecture when you are using a whiteboard here, or when you are teaching, let's say we have some modules in just to go back a bit, this is the home page of our server, our new server. The link is /box home. So this is the, you can see Msingi Pack that you've been using, but now with more updated content. And let's say you want to teach mathematics grade 6. So you can record yourself while you are doing the teaching, and you can capture the screen without even using the camera externally. So this software called OBS Studio will integrate the display, that is screen recording, will integrate the video from your webcam, and also will capture the audio from the microphone. So yeah, so basically that is it. Teacher just records the video of them teaching, the camera taking them while they are, you know, doing what they are doing, and capturing the module that they are teaching here. And something else which is important about this smart board is that you can be able to do annotations. So I can be able to make illustrations in, you know, I want to circle something. I can even change the color of this. Let's say I want to teach something on multiplication. I cancel this. And then I'm able now to use the whiteboard to make annotations on any part of the content. So let it load and we see how to do that. So when it loads, just be patient, just a few seconds, then you are able to see the content. Good. So I play like this. And you can hear the speakers are good. You can raise the volume for the class to hear, or even for you.
Numbers, multiplication.
Okay.
Multiplying up to a 4-digit number. The hello numbers.
So you can see this is kind of a formula that, you know, they are doing a multiplication example. So I'm able even to add my own illustrations here, you see, and put the numbers here that we are doing calculation. So the smart board will allow you to do that. So sometimes also you may want to use the Android part of it. So let me close this.
Multiplied by 31.
Sorry. So the smart board also now we have checked the Windows system. We can even go to switch to Android. So to do that, you just open the navigation panel, which is available in both sides. I can even access it from here. It's the same thing. So click on this, the last icon there, and switch to, now the slot PC is the Windows. So when I click the second one with the Android logo here, I'm going to switch to Android. So this is the Android version, and I can you know, open somewhere to do some notes. If I want to make annotations, let's say there's something I want to draw. I want to draw the world. So you can be able to make illustrations as you want, and you know, if you are doing mathematics, you can do all the formulas here, you know, like such. So it's a whiteboard, fully pledged, and this one for the Android is very nice. Just use it in the class, and you can, you know, it's like you are just using the normal whiteboard. So just make practice, and you will find it very intuitive. So you can even change the colors of the palette. So this is white color. You can put any color that you want.
Yeah, surely it was a good train. We learn more, and we have seen the importance of this, whereby we are using almost a year, and surely now we appreciate your concern, your train, and the way you lead the Wajir people to learn for the digital devices. With that, we say thank you.
I am Dalmas Otieno Adongo, the team leader of the Wajir Smart Learning, and I'm very grateful this morning because we've been visited by a visitor from Nairobi who represents We Learn Kenya. As you are aware that Wajir Smart Learning has been dealing with promoting digital learning in order to empower the marginalized and promoting digital literacy in this great county of Wajir. And today I'm happy because our project is expanding and as well as changing lives. We've been operating but with few resources, and today I want to thank WeLearn through Mr. Roland for adding us another teaching unit that will go a long way of increasing not only the scope but also efficiency in delivering in class. For that we are very thankful as a group and also as a team. Other than that, we also have another new equipment here known as the smart board. The smart board will help us to create content because teachers are supposed to be very creative, and as our leader also said that teachers are content creators. So teachers will be able to create their own content, record, and that also increases innovativeness. All these things combined together are going to help us as a team and are also going to help our students to be more enlightened than the way they were before. So in short, I'm just very thankful for Mr. Victor for having gotten time to come and take us through the new equipment and also through the training. So apart from schools, we've been also reaching out to learners at their homes, and one of the challenges that we had was the capacity. And as I've said earlier, we've increased the number of tablets. We also increased the number of projectors, and I hope and believe that come next term we shall be able to visit many areas and also divide ourselves into 2 teams. Yes, thank you.